Hi folks, welcome to the saga of my oven. Now I put up a video before about getting an oven here in the Philippines, and I did not like that oven because it did not have a thermostat, meaning that it wouldn't automatically keep a certain temperature. You had to adjust the amount of gas that the oven was getting in order to regulate the heat inside the oven, which to me that was not good at all. Anyway, I went to the place where I bought it, and I might say their name later in this video, depending on what happens. But they agreed to take back the old oven, and to give me a different oven. But of course, the one that I had to get was a different model and more expensive. It was a little bit more than 8,000 pesos more expensive, meaning it's about $160 more. So this oven cost the equivalent of about 425 US dollars, okay? Which, I don't know, in the Philippines I guess that's an okay deal. In the US it'd probably be less okay. But these ovens are manufactured in Turkey, of all places. So so there's import fees and stuff like that on these ovens. Anyway, they came a day late. They were supposed to be here yesterday, and they came today, which made me unhappy. And then they were doing the setup on it, and the oven is defective. It seems like it could be a minor problem, but you know, of course I want it to work right. I want it to be right, and I want it to work right. So the fact that it didn't work right makes me unhappy. Anyway, they said that they would send a technician tomorrow morning, and we'll see if that happens or not. But they got to make it right, they really do. And right now it isn't. So we'll wait for part 2 of my oven saga. It's now the next day, and it's almost 11 o'clock in the morning. And of course this technician guy hasn't shown up yet, so I'm not sure if he will show up today or not. But I'm not going to accept this range if it's defective. Now I'll show you what's wrong with it. See, if you look, you can see that this that part is not sitting flush the way the others are. All the others are flush and horizontal, and this one here is tipped. And it's a design manufacture. It's a manufacturing design issue. Somebody didn't do a very good job figuring this out. Anyway, they did come. They came around a little after 10:30, and this is the technician right here, and he got it fixed. So I'm happy, and he was telling me that he's what's your name?
Albert.
Albert? Okay, so Albert here is telling me that he was a computer technician in Cagayan de Oro, but he moved back to Camigan because he said it's too expensive to live in CDO. So he's back here. So now, if I have a problem with my computer, maybe I have somebody that may be able to help me, because I know about computers a little bit, but sometimes I have problems that I can't fix. Anyway, here's the new range. This is a hybrid range. That big burner on the upper left there is actually electric, and these other three are gas. And then I have the oven itself is gas too. And we checked everything and it all works. So I'm happy that this is all finally over with.